Doctors say head and throat cancers are on the rise in Texas, and they expect to see 3,600 new cases in the next year alone.
But the good news is this year they have a new tool helping them fight cancer. Channel 6 News reporter Andrew Moore is in the newsroom telling us how the tool is saving lives in Central Texas. Andrew.
Doug and Leslie, doctors who deal with oral cancers are now able to recommend a treatment called immunotherapy, which they say works with your immune system to fight cancer and is less toxic than chemotherapy. Dr. Thomas Harris at Texas Oncology in Waco is just one physician who has started using this approach. He says the drugs work by making cancer cells vulnerable to the immune system. Some cancers essentially create a protein fence around cells, and that fence prevents white blood cells from attacking. The new drugs helps your cells bypass the fence in order to kill the cancer. Harris says right now, chemotherapy is still the frontline defense against most oral cancers, but for cancers returning out of remission, the new drugs could provide a better recovery.
Many patients have better tolerance of their treatments. They have improved quality of life at home. Some patients have excellent outcomes. The majority of patients have improved outcomes over chemotherapy.
Harris says it is important to note that some cancers do not have that same protein fence, so the new drugs can only be used on a case-by-case basis. He also said there are new studies underway to see if immunotherapy and chemotherapy could be used at the same time for an even better result. Doug and Leslie.
All right, thanks, Andrew.